Here's a new 2019 Honda Fit. No matter what your cargo carrying needs are, this Honda will make it fit. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, air conditioning, power windows, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, rear lip spoiler, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. This from Car and Driver. The Honda Fit has always proved that there's a right and a wrong way to put together a package, and the Fitz has always been right. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.